Welcome all my business owners, digital marketers, and e-commerce Shopify entrepreneurs. In this video, I will discuss how to translate your website into multiple languages. For this video specifically, I'm going to be using a free to install tool called ConveyThis. Now, here you see me on the Shopify App Store. I want to load this up with you so you can see me doing this in real time with you. So let's go ahead and load that up on the screen right here. Welcome to the channel. I go by the name of Mr. Da Vinci. If you do any type of drop shipping specifically for Shopify, I definitely suggest that you stick around all the way to the end of this video. This can be very beneficial, very useful for you in your journey moving forward. So as you see here on my screen, I type in ConveyThis right here. Again, I'm on the Shopify App Store. If we look right here, this is the app for ConveyThis. So I'm going to just click on that right here. And by the way, not to mention, they were very kindly enough to sponsor this video. They do offer a free plan for you, which I will show you in this video, and for you to try out. However, you can always upgrade at a later time. You can install this for your WordPress website, Shopify website, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, BigCommerce, Weebly, etc. But for this particular video, we'll be focusing on Shopify to demonstrate this app in real time. So stick around with me here. So once you click on the app in the Shopify App Store, you just want to scroll down here. Right here where it says show full descriptions, you will get all these lovely benefits that's on the left side. And we'll discuss the plans right now. As I mentioned in this video, we're just going to focus on the free plan. So what you want to do is you want to click Add App. Let this load up here. By the way, while this is loading up, I will leave a link to ConveyThis in the description of the video so that you can gain access to this. So as you see right here, this is real time. This is on one of my Shopify stores. This is ConveyThis. I'm currently on the free plan. This is what the dashboard will look like. So how does this help you, for those of you who are drop shipping through Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, and Bing? You know the cost of running ads in the United States. Well, on the flip side, this will give you a competitive advantage over the competition by translating your website into a language of other countries so that your website will gain massive traction and traffic. But more importantly, you will be able to reach an untapped audience that your competition may not be targeting for your products. To do this, once you install ConveyThis, you want to come over here to domains. I want to show you one of my Shopify stores. I don't mind dropping golden nuggets here and there. So this is my music page which I use to sell music on for my Shopify store. Definitely check it out. But you don't have to. This isn't the purpose of the video, but we're going to use this. So you would type in your Shopify name. You would click right here where it says add domain. From there, we're going to go to dashboard. Now, the benefit of installing ConveyThis for your Shopify store is you can see how many views your translated pages are receiving based on the analytics. You can decide to review the data to see the results that's being generated for you. This is a cost-effective way to easily structure your pages for different locations. ConveyThis also offers 92 different languages to help you increase customer loyalty through providing mobile-friendly content, attracting a global audience while maintaining a professional-looking brand. It's a win-win all around. So let's finish the installation here so that you can know what to do once you decide to install ConveyThis. I am on the dashboard section of my website right now. So we shall move this to the side. Yeah, about that right there. So right here, this is the analytical section of ConveyThis. We're going to go to dashboard. Bear with me here. All right. So this is how you're going to set it up for your Shopify store. Now that we're on the dashboard section, actually, let's come down here. So we're going to load up please install. My bad, y'all. So Here we are. So what you want to do is you want to go to dashboard, scroll down to where it says settings right here. Once my computer finishes loading up, I'm going to show you how to switch the languages of your store to different types of languages so that you can begin targeting different countries. As you know, as I mentioned, targeting on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Bing, Google, YouTube, it's very costly when you want to target to the United States. This is a different way for you to target different types of audiences and different locations. So what is the current language of your website? Mine is English. Obviously, I'm in the United States. So we're just going to go down here to target locations. That's off the top of my head. Let's just type in French. So then once we scroll over here, right here, as you can see, we also have French available as an option for us. If we was target France, we can also target many different languages. Let's try Spanish. See what pops up. All right, so instead what we're going to do, because I'm on the free plan, you can only choose one language at a time. So I definitely recommend that you install ConveyThis. You get the free plan and give it about 30 days. I say within 30 days, you'll know if this is for you or not. You'll definitely see the results depending on the language that you choose to target and the country that you're choosing to run your advertisements for. You can definitely look at the data, the analytics, and see how the test, how everything is performing for you. I feel this will give you a very huge competitive advantage over the competition, especially if you can translate your whole page into a language that country feels comfortable in, because most countries do not have English as their first language. They have it as their secondary language. So we're just going to come down here. As you see, I've installed English and Spanish. Move this out the way. Get this. All right. And then, so I highly recommend that you give this a trial, test out different countries, different audiences. I guarantee you'll be surprised by the results you'll fathom. This will complete the tutorial for the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Definitely let me know your thoughts, your comments. Speak up. Let your voice be heard in the comment section. If you enjoy this type of content, I just want you to subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. Check out all the other playlists that I have popping up for you on the screen, specifically for those of you in the Shopify dropshipping niche. I have a full playlist for you to check out. It's popping up on the screen now. This has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci, signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video.